Now time to make spinach pakoras. We've put the mixture with curd and gram flour mixed with little haldi and lots of water and put it for boiling. Keep on churning it till it gets thick. The curry will be ready. First it is very liquid and then it becomes thick and then it starts becoming a little more liquid. So when the second stage of liquidity comes in it, it means that curry is ready. So now we'll fry some spinach pakoras. It's a healthy thing, a dish that you eat some green leaves, vegetables. Absolutely simple. There was just salt and a little chili flakes, a little and besan or GramFlour, like you call it in English. That's how we make. This is being made in mustard oil, so that gives a little crispness to the dish. Yeah. Now we increase the flame again. It's on slow flame, again high, so that it is done fast. See you once it's finished. When it comes to overboil, keep some cold water and keep pouring on it so that it doesn't fall out of the pan. Reduce the flame to minimum and let it cook at least for half an hour to 40 minutes because the gram flour must cook. And in the meantime, the pakoras are ready. So now the curry is ready. We add the spinach pakoras to this. And the tadka that we call here in Punjabi, we add this to the curry. So this is the last stage before serving. Just take some more and clear it up. And this is how our Punjabi curry is made. This is how is the color. This is how we eat.